Hello there, I'm Andrea Hallwegner, better known as the Chocoholic Nutritionist, and I've been a dietitian for close to 20 years now, and I've noticed that there are some predictable ways that people get tripped up and stuck in their journey to eat just a little bit healthier. So I want to explore what those three main reasons are that people can get a little overwhelmed when it comes to the simple yet complicated question of how do I achieve a healthier diet? The first thing that I want to go through is really thinking about conflicting information. So there is so much coming at us. Sometimes you begin to wonder, are carbs bad? Are they good? How much protein do I need? And what about fats? Are they healthy? And which ones? And which foods should I eat a little bit more often? So the first reason people get tripped up in their journey for healthy eating is there's so much conflicting information. Second reason is, of course, overwhelm, and a lot more conflicting information when it comes to that as well. What to eat, where to start, what order you should focus things on, since we're all so very busy, is another reason that people can get very overwhelmed when it comes to their healthy eating journey. The third thing is time and energy. Of course, we've got busy family commitments, we've got work commitments, and that strain in busyness and time to be able to take the time it needs to eat well is another reason I find people can fail to take action on something that they want to do. So I've been studying solutions in my career as a dietitian to really help move people forward, to really conquer some of those major issues we know are so relevant, regardless if you are trying to boost your health, maybe overcome from some sort of a medical condition, whether that's heart related, digestion related, diabetes related, and more. Or maybe you're trying to move towards a personal best weight, and that would be lots of dieting in your history, whatever you might be kind of trying to work towards. There are these really uniform things that I think we've been able to discover and put together in our practice that help move people through those challenges and get them the results that they're looking for to be able to just be healthier, have good energy, and again, move towards that personal best weight. So I want to invite you to join our waiting list for the upcoming online nutrition course. I will be opening up registration for quite soon. You can find out more details if this sort of philosophy and this sort of issue around overwhelm and what do I do, where do I start, how do I put all the pieces together. You can log on over to www.pursuithealthiness.com, and you can read more information about what my online nutrition course is all about and sign up for our waiting list so you can receive a little bit more information when we open up registration, since this only happens once or twice a year. And I'd love to see you there. I'm going to be sending out a few special resources leading up to when course registration opens again. So if you're curious about some of the tips and strategies that I've been teaching over the years and that our team of dietitians here use to really navigate the topic of meal planning success, the science of nutrition, and really the scoop on what is the best diet and the best strategies to move you forward for health and overall healthy weight management, I want you to join me on that notification list so we can start to connect and be able to deliver you some information and see if this course might be a fit for you. So you can be rest assured at HealthStand Nutrition here, we're known for our balanced living philosophy. You won't find any forbidden foods. In fact, you won't find any mention of good foods and bad foods, things that you need to avoid, because the core philosophy that I'm bringing into the course, as well as in all of the work that we do in both our one-on-one nutrition counseling advice as well in our office, really comes from the philosophy of eating fully. And eating fully is that balanced approach to everyday living, that sometimes we're going to eat healthy foods and sometimes we're going to eat soulful foods. And when we can marry healthful foods with soulful foods and put them together, that is what we consider eating fully to be all about. So if you've struggled with just food overwhelm, not being sure what to cook for your family, or maybe you're retired and just overwhelmed by meal prep in general and have a long list of food restrictions and forbidden things you haven't allowed yourself to enjoy for a long time, or you've been a chronic yo-yo dieter and you are ready for a fresh approach and learning to love food and learning to love your body again, this course is definitely for you. So you can check out the details again by going on to pursuithealthiness.com, find out a little bit more there, and of course, join us on the registration waiting list there so I can be sure to connect with you when our doors open for registration. To wrap up our discussion here on some of these challenges, you might also want to go over to our website, healthstandnutrition.com. We've got all sorts of great free resources there if you want to get a sense as to some of our favorite recipes and healthy eating tips, more videos that really dive into some of the healthy eating strategies, tons of information in the free resources section of our website there. And of course, you can join over about 5,000 people on our newsletter list. They hear from us weekly in just giving them a little boost of health and wellness tips, videos, and healthy recipes there on our newsletter. So again, I just want to send a happy, healthy eating philosophy to you, but don't forget to squeeze in some of your fun favorite foods chosen for taste and enjoyment. You don't need to be perfect. In fact, we really work from the premise here that imperfect is actually quite perfect. And so signing off for now, until next time, I'm Andrea Hallwegner, registered dietitian, but more commonly known as the Chocoholic Nutritionist, for my balanced approach to the whole philosophy that you can eat anything, just not everything. It's all about being super intentional about your choices. So bye for now. Thanks for watching.